Welcome back to the new chapter. And this chapter will be integrating Chakra UI in our application, right? And Chakra UI is a modern React UI library that uses style props. That means we can just pass prop for styling like in React, all right? So it's very easy to learn and you'll get to know that along the way. And to install Chakra UI, you just need to install this dependency. I'll be providing the URL for this page in the description of this video so that you can just copy and paste it in your terminal. All right. Or you can also type it manually, and that is it. So hit enter, and that's it. And after installation of these dependencies, all you have to do now is set up this provider. And it's really easy. All you have to do is just go to your main.jsx, all right? And then copy this command, 2 lines of code. So in main.jsx, you just need to import this ChakraProvider, and then all you need to do is wrap your application with this ChakraProvider. And if you're in Windows, the shortcut for this clipboard is Windows plus V, so that you can have a bunch of copied things in one frame. And once you wrap your app with ChakraProvider, you're actually done with setup of Chakra UI in your application. Great job. And talking about customizing theme, which is actually optional, for this you can follow along this documentation, and then you can easily implement this as well because the code is really simple and easy to use. But in our case, we'll be using default theme of Chakra UI. All right. So in our app.js, let's implement a button. For that, all you have to do is import button from Chakra UI React, and then use this button with some text. And let's check it out. And there we go, we have button over there. So our Chakra UI is working. So let's give it a style. Let's change the color of it to Sam. And that's completely working, but let's give it more styles. With 100, height 100, display flex, background gray. And let's change the background to black for this button. And there we go. And I'll be meeting you in the next chapter.